put logo makers to shame, and hot chocolate is my game. Charmin, did you eat all the chocolate? Huh? No? It wasn't you. Well, I can see the smears on your face. You know there's only two of us here, right? And it wasn't me. Then who? I, I'm not doing this, Charmin. Not today. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet, and to that I say, what do we have here? Our topic ingredient for this week will be chocolate. We're going to make a hot chocolate. Yeah, let's get started. For this, we'll be using some cornstarch, heavy cream, cocoa powder, whole milk, some cinnamon powder, salt, and sugar, which I don't think I actually used for this episode. We'll find out. Some heavy whipped cream, make sure it's full to the brim before you buy it. Some chocolate of choice for your topping, and of course, Hershey's black chocolate. Did I say black? I meant dark chocolate. Yeah, just dark. First, we'll start off with mincing our chocolate. We'll break them into 4 sections and then cut them with our knife. The more you mince them, the easier it is for it to melt in the pan or the pot, whichever you used. We're going to place them in a bowl, and then we're going to transfer them to our pot. Add in about a 1/4 cup of our whole milk and just let it melt for a bit on medium heat. Stir occasionally to help, the chocolate melt quicker, faster, stronger. Then at this point, add in your granulated sugar, your cocoa powder, and your cinnamon powder. Mix these guys up together. After this is done, add in about a 1/4 cup of your heavy cream and just mix it in. Once your hot chocolate starts to look a little brown, then you can proceed to add in the rest of your milk. Remember to set aside about a 1/4 cup of milk to mix with your cornstarch mixture. Once your chocolate starts looking a little bit light like this, you can let it sit for about 2 minutes while you mix your cornstarch with your whole milk. Mix it in properly. After that's done, then, only then, can you add it to your hot chocolate. The cornstarch will help thicken the hot chocolate mixture to give you an extra thick with 18 C's hot chocolate. Once it starts looking a little thick like this, that's how you know your chocolate's ready. But before we can do all of that, before we can taste it, we have to whisk it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, switch from a spoon to a whisk. This recipe is for the one you love. So pour your hot chocolate into the cup of their choice. Hope you enjoyed your Valentine's Day, by the way, guys. Then, if you got your degree from Dunkin' Donuts at whipped cream serving, go ahead and add that nicely. As you can tell, I didn't get my degree from there. Top with your chocolate of choice. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Like always, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to see the trailer for this episode, click up here. If you want to see more, go ahead and click down there. We'll start off with some salt. Oh, no, that was not salt. That was cornstarch.